Hello friends, Mr. Kevin here with the Children's Museum of the Lowcountry in Charleston, South Carolina, to talk about you with the Brown Bag STEM Challenge. And we do this program in the museum on Wednesdays and Sundays at 3:30, but if you are unable to make it to the museum, you can do this challenge at home. You can work together as a family, or you can work against your family and see how your different ideas compare to each other, because there's so many different ways that you could solve the problem. So there's always a challenge. If you're doing it at the museum, you get a bag like this, and it would have all your supplies in there for you. And you can use scissors and tape. And STEM, of course, is science, technology, engineering, and math. And technology is not just computers and coding, it's also simple technology such as rulers and scissors and any kind of technology. And if you're working on this with your family, you would be using a lot of 21st century skills like communication and problem solving. And when you're working on this, once you gather your supplies, which you can find throughout your house, whatever you have with your family, of course, your grown-up will help you find things that are appropriate. You can use a lot of recycled materials like cardboard and toilet paper tubes and egg cartons, or things from your craft, leftover craft materials like pipe cleaners or yarn and ribbon, whatever you have lying around, old wrapping paper, or office supplies like rubber bands and paper clips and various other materials. And once you know your challenge, today's challenge is going to be to build a bubble wand that will help you make bubbles. So we have in our caregiver guide on our website different bubble solution recipes. So there's a few different options so that you can look around and see what things you might have, because there's many different ways. Or if you have more than one, you can try them out and see which one makes the best bubbles for you. Now, you might want to get a piece of paper and draw your design first before you try it out. And after you try it out, if it didn't work how you thought it was going to, or it did work but you want it to work a little differently, you can always modify it and try again, and that's part of the engineering process, going back to the drawing board and seeing how you can modify your design. So my first design looks like this, and it just has 3 materials. And you dunk it in the bubble solution and blow it out. And I think it's going to make 3 bubbles that are stuck together, but I guess I'll have to wait and see, and then I might want to change it.